Come on, Tara, 2 more. There you go. Put it up. Okay, you got this. 5 minutes is all. There you go. Okay, you still have 4.5 minutes. Come on, you got this. It's easy for you. Come on, you got it. Just commit. There you go. Nice. That was awesome. Come on, another one. Nice. You got it. 2 down. Okay, let's go, Tara. Come on. You have to. Come on. Commit to it. Get under it. Get under it. There you go. Nice. It's 3. Come on, you got this. There you go. Get under it. Get under it. There. Lock out. Nice. 4. You have 3 minutes left. Drop your butt some more. Nice. 5. Yep. You still have 2.5 minutes. Come on, you got it. Let's go. Commit to it. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So you have 96. Oh, yeah. 66. 66. Come on. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up. Nice. Come on, Tara. It's all right. You still have a minute. You still have a minute left. You can get 1 more. Get it. Come on. Come on. You can get this. Come on. You got it. Get it up. Nice. 67. You got 20 seconds. You can get 1 more. Get it up. Nice. That's it? Okay. Nice. 68.